In this example, I need to solve the problem 5x plus 10 minus x equals 9 plus 5x minus 5. So what type of problem is it? It's an equation. And what's the highest degree on any of the x's? 1. Therefore, this is a linear equation. I don't have any fractions to remove or parentheses to remove. So now what I need to do is simplify the left-hand side and the right-hand side if possible. Do I have any like terms on the left-hand side? Yes, I have a 5x and a minus x. So 5x minus x adds up to 4x. I just bring down my plus 10 equals any like terms on the right-hand side. I have 9 and minus 5, both constants. So 9 minus 5 is 4. And then just bring down the 5x. I can't combine these unlike terms. Can't combine these unlike terms. So I'm going to have to collect my x's on one side, constants on the other. It doesn't matter which way you do it, you will get the same answer. I'm just going to collect my x's over here. So since I have plus 5x on the right, I'm going to have to subtract 5x from both sides. And I line up like terms on the left-hand side. And the reason I do that is 5x minus 5x adds to 0. So on the left-hand side, I have 4x minus 5x is negative 1x, or just negative x. Bring down the plus 10 equals 4. So now I've got all my x's on the left-hand side. I need my constants over here. So since I have plus 10 on the left-hand side, I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So on the left-hand side, I get negative x equals 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Now, the last thing I have to do is get x by itself. And remember, if I have negative x, it just means negative 1x. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1. And these reduce. And I get x equals negative 6 divided by negative 1 is positive 6, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Now at this step, I would have got the same answer if I'd have multiplied both sides by negative 1. It doesn't matter. So now let's quickly check our answer to see if we got it right. That means plug x equals 6 here, here, and here. So I'm going to get 5 times x, which is 6, plus 10. So 5 times x, which is 6, plus 10, minus x, which is minus 6, should equal 9 plus 5 times x. 9 plus 5 times x is 6. Finally, minus 5. And if I get a true statement, I know I did the problem correctly. So let's do our multiplications first. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 10 minus 6. Does it equal 9 plus 5 times 6 is 30, minus 5. So 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 minus 6 is 34. And 9 plus 30 is 39. 39 minus 5 is 34. Excellent. I got a true statement. Therefore, I know the solution is x equals 6.